Hi, I'm Peter Jackson, Vice President of Operations for the Potash Business Unit. I want to talk a bit about our safety performance year to date and some other things that we need to think about as time moves on. Year to date, our improvement in safety has been tangible. I've seen great improvements at all of our sites. In fact, we have several sites running at a recordable incident frequency rate of 0. And now that's our standard and expectation. When people come to work at our sites, they don't get hurt. So how is this happening? It's happening because we're having those great conversations with each other. We're talking about safety in the place. We're willing to correct behaviors. We basically, when we see something, we own it. We're willing to step in and make things happen. We also have good training. We're talking about safety in meetings, and we're safety conscious in everything we do. And this has led to tremendous safety improvements over the last 5 years, but specifically over the last 2, is where I've seen a quantum change in what we're doing. So each individual making safety-based decisions has caused us to reach these kinds of performance levels. But now it's summer. Now it's vacation time. Now it's the time when we get to do some of the stuff that we want to do. So if you're like me, you got projects at home. We're going to either pour some concrete, build a deck, build a garage, maybe put some new shingles on the house, whatever it is. My question is, and it's a question I ask myself, is do we do the same planning for our projects at home that we would do in a typical Mosaic setting? Do we think about the job? Do we think about the safety? Do we think about the scope? Do we think about whether we can do it by ourselves, or do we need someone to help us? Or like me, do you find out halfway through the project that it's a little bit bigger than you anticipated? So I'm asking you this summer to take on some of the things that you would normally do in a Mosaic setting and do it at home. Let's make home as safe for a place to work as it is at our Mosaic sites. The other thing I'd ask you is, when we go on vacations, do we plan our vacations to the same extent we would plan a job that we're working on at one of our plant sites? And the answer, if you're like me, is no, we don't. The MasterCard is the magic ad hoc equalizer that we use when things don't go the way we plan. So as you plan these trips and things don't happen, I use my magic MasterCard to accommodate whatever wasn't there that was supposed to be. And that hasn't always worked out for me. You know, you have those opportunities where you look around and going to your wife, don't we have 2 kids? That kind of stuff happens. So I would ask you that as you plan your vacations, as we get ready to go camping or whatever it is, that we take a page out of our safety book and think through all the things that we need to do to have a safe and happy vacation as we go together and spend the most important time that we're going to spend, time with our families. It's important to me, and it's important to all the leaders in this organization, that our people enjoy their home life as much as they enjoy working at the sites, and that they're as safe in their home life as they would be at their sites. On behalf of the Potash business team, I want to wish you a great summer vacation. Enjoy your time off. Looking forward to what we can do together as a team in the fall.